Hi, welcome back to Life of Creed. It's been a while since I have done a video, and I'm going to start off back with doing an unboxing from Irresistible Me. This is not a sponsored video. I just needed to get new hair, and I saw it on Instagram and figured I'd give them a try. So I haven't even taken out the shipping package yet. So let's start there. So it comes in a nice box package here. And I also ordered a hanging bag, so we'll just open that up first before we jump into the hair. I like to have a hanging bag for my hair. And it was very reasonably priced. I don't remember the pricing. The hanging bag was not on the invoice. So, hanging bag, nothing fancy, just like you get with anybody else, and it has their name and website on it. And now let's jump into the hair. So, here's the first open look. And the hair is packaged like this. And we have one side, which is a little tester side. So we're going to open that side first, just to make sure it matches our hair shade and the length. So let's start here. And it is in the little hairnet, really secure. If we can get it out the hairnet. Here it goes. And the color I ordered was 1B, which is an off black. Here's the hair. Very soft. Here. See if I can cut this little thing off. Let me look in the mirror so I can make sure I see it right. See a good color of it. So here is the hair. And it does look like my hair color. It blends in really good. I like the color. And I tend to dye my hair also, so I usually dye it that color. Let's go on the inside here. It's a little brownish, but I can make it work because I dye my hair. So let's go ahead on and just open the actual hair, because I'm going to keep it. And it is in the little hairnet, really tight and secure. And these are the clip-ins. So here's the hair. And I did, I think, 20 inches. Let's see, this is the 20 inch natural black. Very soft, very thick. I'm liking it so far. This is my first time going with this company. Okay, if we can get the gold bands out that are in there. They are in there very tight. Okay, I'm going to cut those out, those gold bands. And let's just see how the hair looks in. I'm going to go ahead on and put the hair in too. So you get a 4-piece, and it is super thick at the top. A 4-piece, and you get a 2-piece. This one is you get a 1 single one, another 2-clip, another 2-clip, and I don't remember what it said online, a 1-piece. Oh, here you go, I was looking for this one. There's a 3-clip, and then another 2-clip, and 2-clip, and then the sample hair that they sent was my little one has it, she's trying the hair on too, and the sample hair was a 3-clip. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 piece, and then 10 with the sample piece. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just stick this in my hair so we can really see how it looks. And I'm not a pro at doing this. I usually just brush when I do it. But it is super easy, so even if you're not a pro at the clip-ins, they are like super easy to put in. So I'm going to put at the very back the 3 clip. Just this one I'll put in, the one that wasn't curly. And I saw another YouTube channel, she marked the inside of the clip, so she remembered what order to put her hair in. But I'm going to do a 3 clip. And I don't normally do any teasing or anything. I just usually clip in, and it's usually secure snug when I put them in. Let's do another part. And I usually do my parts pretty close to each other to help it blend in. Well, maybe not that close. But I'm so far really liking the feel of the way the hair feels. So let's see if the 4 piece will fit good right here. I may want to go up one before I put that one. Yeah, I'll do the other 3 piece that came as a sample piece, the tester. And it's really curly, that tester piece. So my hair is going to look really, it's not going to blend as well because it's curly. And I like to wear my clip-ins just straight. I don't usually do anything super fancy with them, but just clip them in. Because I had long hair and I cut it and I miss it, so I just use clip-ins to have long hair again. And I'm not good at parting. And also, if you wear your hair with the part on the side or the back, or down the middle, part your hair first so that way you can go good with how you want it to be parted. Oh, I need a little more here. There we go. And I can barely feel I even have these in my hair. They're thick. The hair is thick, but they don't feel like you have anything in your head. I have some that they just feel like they're pulling and they're heavy. And these feel really comfortable. And this one is so thick, the 4 clip. Like, I'm really liking the way they feel. Okay. And then I'm going to do my sides. Because I wear my hair parted down the side, so I'm going to do them to make it all blend in. And I will do 2 clips on the side. And these are so comfortable. Doesn't even feel like I have anything in my hair. I'll do one on this side because I don't put a lot there, but I'll do more on this side because this is where the bulk of the side hair is in my part. And I also do 2 clips on these sides. I probably won't ever use the 1 clips, probably. Majority of the time it'll always be the 2 clips. These are so comfortable. And do another 2-clip. And I didn't even bring a hairbrush to brush my hair all together. I just set my comb down before I started filming this. Oh, they feel so lovely. Oh, and the little one got the hairbrush so that we can brush it all into place. So I can brush it like I wear my hair. Oh, they're very... Oh, you know, I didn't check to see. Do they shed? Nope. No shedding. They feel so good. So I'll pour it so you can see the fun. I'm looking in my mirror too. So try to look in my mirror. So let's see. So here they are. So they are 20 inches. So they come here on me. Let me turn to the back some so you can see the back. And I'm 5'7", so they have a good length on them. They're super silky. I'm really, really liking these. They're thick. This is how I normally wear my hair. So I'm really, really liking these. Really nice. Well, make sure to subscribe, click the notification button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!